Well, g'day safety grandpa. How you going?
Good, mate. Yeah, good trip.
That's good. You made it over safely?
Yep.
Right.
Yeah, good on you.
So how'd the trip go?
Yeah, good, mate.
Good?
Good.
Oh,
good,
wicked.
Good, yeah.
Well, here's your new Calais.
Ah, thanks, mate. I better give you the keys for this one, eh?
Give us the keys, yep. Now,
There we are.
did I make a smart choice? Swapping grandpa for this one? Or grandpa swapping us for that one? A little story about this one. I've owned this car, slash safety grandpa has as well, for roughly 20 years. Brought this back in 2004, November. So we are in 2024. This thing needs basically everything we done to that. Suspension, brakes, interior, but this one needs a little bit more body work. So unfortunately the clear on it has decided to de-clear. We've also got a little bit of rust around the roof, which is a bit of a bummer. So the interior of it, again, it's a 30-year-old car. I think I've got this seat from New Pullet back in the day when they're on special. VX Calais seat. But what should we do? Should we rebuild this one on the channel? Or should I just rebuild this one on the side? My mate Robbie, another Robbie, goes, I've got some CV8 rims if you want them. Now back in the day I used to have some old lookalike Monaro rims on it. If I find a photo I'll put it up now. Now that was when it was pretty staunch and I would have been 19-ish, 20-ish. Yeah boy, low, slow, V6, nothing special, but still an old classic in some way, and plenty of memories have been made in this car. But now, Grandpa, safety Grandpa, gets to take the VX Calais home. Now, we did have this detailed and polished, but a little bit of dust from parked up. If you can see that in the camera, it's a bit of a bummer, but it's actually come up looking really, really smicko. All the leather interior is looking good. Just done a last minute repair, which didn't quite go to plan. We replaced the aerial, so it goes up, but it ain't coming down. And we haven't got time to stuff around with it. So at least Grandpa has got radio on the way back, but I did put a CD player in it with Bluetooth, if you can work it out. Well, Grandpa, don't go sitting on the good paint job, Grandpa. Fuck. I mean, I've got to put a beep there somewhere. Yeah. Well, are you happy with it?
Yeah, mate. Yeah. As long as it gets me back to Adelaide.
Yep, and you're happy with what the kids and I have done with it?
Yeah, very happy, yeah.
Now, with the VR, do you reckon we should rebuild that?
Yeah, mate. It's a beautiful car to drive. Yeah.
All right.
Still got something boogies good.
Yeah. What'd you say it done in reverse? 100 and something?
Yeah, 180.
All right, well, yeah, if you've been from the very start of this VX Calais build, you go that side, Dad, bit hot. From where the big fella and I changed the engine out. We've done suspension, we've done brakes, you name it, we've done it. Even Vision Trim gave us a hand to fix the interior, the roof lining. If you've been there from the very start of what we've done with this vehicle, you'll know how much effort and work we've put into it. Massive thanks to Petters, Vision Trim, DJ from Automotive Carnage. You come around for a day and gave us a hand. Can't think of anyone else at the moment, but if I've missed you, cheers and dirty thumbs up. Otherwise, Dad, let's give him a thumbs up, and we'll catch up with you later. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you when we're looking at you. Righto, see you, Dad. He's lost already. All right, see you, Grandpa. Send it. Well, that's the end of another chapter. I'm going to be a bit sad, but that's all right. I've got another project to add to the projects. Righto, see you later.